Hello there, guys! So guys, did you know the story behind the Noli Me Tangere? In 1887, he published his first novel, Noli Me Tangere, written in Spanish, a searing indictment of clerical abuse of the colonial rule's shortcomings. The same year, he returned to Manila where the Noli Me Tangere had been banned, and its author now hated intensely by the friars. So, what's interesting about Noli Me Tangere is Jose Rizal wrote the Noli Me Tangere novel to expose the abuses, oppression, and exploitation of the natives by the Spaniards. The colonial government, religious friars, priests, military, and Spanish citizens in the Philippines. Rizal's novels illustrate the slavery of the Filipino natives under Spaniards. So guys, if you want some interesting facts, check out my